Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, good morning. Good morning to you, beautiful guy. Morning. What's up, guy? How you doing? How's the night? Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to today's episode of Market Overview. Thank you for liking. Keep liking, keep liking, keep liking. Welcome, welcome. Mona go call na self come. Hello, Pera, you want Mona tell them say we don't start. Welcome. I'm looking at the chat while I'm waiting for others. I'm looking at the chat while I'm waiting for others. Yeah. How was the night, guys? How was the night? Oh, somebody tell them we are live. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Welcome, Mr. Kodri Abiola Fidelity. You're welcome. How was the night? Yeah, that's good. Your night was great. That's beautiful. Mr. Kodri, I Ogun State today. How was the night? Also, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Then, my background sound. Hope is reasonable. Like it's not too loud. It's not too low. Are you feeling the vibes? Let me know. And aside from that, my voice. Hope my voice is loud and clear. Hope my face they show, even if my shoe no show. Good morning, good morning. My night was perfect, so streaming live. I think it's streaming live at work. Oh, well done. That is your work. Don't worry. If that work will only remain if that work is your dream work. If it's not your dream work, it's a matter of time, Mr. Quadri. You will sack them. Just be consistent and be dedicated and be ready to pay the price. Do you get that? Well done. Welcome, Juliana. How was your night? How was your family? Where you guys joining us from today? Let's get started. Why are you guys joining us from today? What's your location? Come on, drop your location. How was yesterday? Yesterday was great. Yeah. Yesterday was a great day for us. Well done. Much respect to you, Juliana. Well done. Where you guys joining us from today? Dex Media is joining us from Ibadan. Okay. Somebody said I should reduce the sound. Please, others, is it the same at your hand before I make the decision? Let me know if others are feeling the same or it's just this particular person that is feeling it. Lagos, Nigeria, you're welcome, Juliana. Where are you joining us from? I've got only 3 people that give us their location right now. Kodri Abiola from Ogun State, Juliana from Lagos, Nigeria, Dex Media from Ibadan. Dex Media look like somebody new. Okay, let's go. Drop your location. How was yesterday? We took some trade yesterday in the Signal channel. Oh, Zakaria, it's been a while. How you doing? It's been a while. How is Kano? Oh, what's wrong with this one now? So, okay, the battery is tired. Let me change it. How far my background music right now? How is it now? Zakaria from Kano. You're welcome. It's been a while. How you doing? Let me know with the background music. I can actually reduce it if it's too loud on your hand, but it's cool on my hand. How was yesterday? How was the night? We're stylishly waiting for others to join. Okay. has never been easy for anybody, Zachariah. It has never been easy for anybody. It is out of that not easy. It is out of that hardness that will scale through by the grace of God Almighty. Nothing in this life is easy as far as I am concerned, and you can easily relate to that. So as far as I'm concerned, nothing in this life is easy. But sometimes you have to derive joy from what you want to derive joy from, even though it's not easy. Nothing in this life is easy. Sorry for the people that have not married here. Even the husband and wife having intercourse, it's a work. But because we love it, we derive joy from it. We don't see it as work. It's hard sometimes, but because we love it, we don't see it as something hard. Rather, we derive pleasure from hard. So even your work, being wealthy, being successful is hard. Living in poverty is extremely hard. So you choose your hard wisely. Why is Juliana laughing? Yeah, God help me. Peace from Abia. Peace from Abia. Is it the same peace I know? Because I've been seeing this beauty cartel. I don't actually remember the name on Telegram. Peace. Is it peace that I know? If you are the peace that I know, just message me on Telegram. Let me get your name. Okay. So one last time, tell us about how your trade went yesterday. Did you make money yesterday? Do you guys make money yesterday? That's it. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. That my background music, how do you guys see it now? Has it reduced very well? Is it okay now? So I feel cash you now, Juliana. I made money, but I did not wait for the trade to eat TP. Yeah, you finally eat TP2. You eat TP2. Hey, Ron from Abuja, you're welcome. So guys, let's get started. Yesterday we add a top down analysis. So and we learn. Can you guys tell us what you learned yesterday before we get started with today? There's something I'm looking at on gold. I will share my screen shortly. Euro USD that we analyzed yesterday, we are looking at it closely if it's going to actually give us the opportunity we are looking for. DVP USD that we have analyzed before too, we are looking at it closely if it's going to give us the opportunity we're looking for. Also gold, there's another thing I'm waiting for on gold at the moment, so guys, don't dull it, stay sharp. We're going to be looking fresh at another pair today. We're going to be analyzing it together. So therefore, what did you learn from yesterday? Do a recap of what you learned from yesterday so I can just start and continue today. What did you guys learn from yesterday? Then if you are just joining us, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you smash the like button. Smash it, like smash it. What's up? I'm waiting for you guys' response before I dive into the charts. Come on guys. Come on guys, give me a recap of what you learned yesterday so that we can just continue today. You can't just be here and I'll just be downloading and I have to know that you guys are feeling the vibes, you guys are picking the vibes. Make sure you smash the like button. 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 Let's be fast. Let's be fast. Are you telling me that all of us that are here right now, you can't remember what we learned yesterday? Say something that you learned yesterday. Pick, even if it's okay. Somebody said I learned in top-down analysis. We start analyzing the chart from monthly down to 4 hourly. Mark major and minor points of interest. Okay, that's good. That's good from Fidelity. Any other person? Should I start calling names? Mr. Handy, what do you pick from yesterday? Or you're not here yesterday? Heron, what do you pick from yesterday? Okay, Heron has answered. Heron said how to look for trading opportunity in different time frame using major and minor zones. Good. Who is also here yesterday? Beauty Cartel is here yesterday. That's Peace. Is it the same Peace? Just message me, Beauty Cartel, if you are Peace. That just message me on Telegram. I want to know if you are the one. There's one Piece like that. I respect the lady, but right now she took some time off trading due to some things she actually fixing out. Lord Almighty be with her. The FS Giant, this your name, safe. Not be here, you are quite new. You're welcome. Where are you joining us from, FS Giant? Beauty Cartel said learned that from the higher time frame Euro USD is bearish. We also mark some major zone and minor zone. Okay, that's good. Then let me say this. Let me quickly say this, guys. Let me say this. Listen and listen good, guys. You know that all these things that I'm teaching you, I actually take my time before I started teaching this thing. All these things that I'm teaching you guys, if you have not been able to go through the baby tips that I recommend trust me guys, you might not get all this thing that we are doing. Trust me, we might not get it. Yeah, I want my light to be white. Okay. Yesterday I said that I was leaving to charge my phone just before you began. My battery went down. I came back when you were concluding and closing. Did you forget? Why didn't you rewash? You're supposed to rewash if you are so dedicated and so serious about this. You're supposed to rewash, Mr. Andy. You're supposed to rewash. If you pay $500 for this, you will not take it lightly. Okay. So same peace. Oh, peace. Big ups to you. How are you doing today? How is your children and family? Trust you're good now. Let me know whenever you are ready to join us back. When you are ready to resume trading, I'm also ready for you. Okay. People are sending me a message on Telegram, but I cannot attend to that right now. Juliana, what did you learn yesterday? If you are just joining, please make sure you smash the like button. If you have not smashed the like button, make sure you smash the like button right now. Do that now. Like, do it now. I learned the fake breakout from the analysis yesterday. Now, on that fake breakout, I think I need to actually talk about it today. I'm going to talk about it today. That fake out, fake breakout and all of those things. Remind me in the course of the top-down analysis. I need to explain it to you. I need to explain it to you. And that is the reason why it is important to always wait for a close of the candle before you execute your trade. I learned about using monthly to 4 hours time zone to have an understanding of how market has been doing. That then one can predict what the market wants to do or the movement. Okay, that's good. If you have not smashed the like button, smash it again. If you have not, I'm not talking about people that have smashed it. If you have not smashed the like button, do it now. Do it now. It's going to actually help our YouTube to grow. Hey, JCD King, what's up, my man? How are you doing? Where are you joining us from today? Where are you joining us from today? Did you make money with us yesterday? Okay, so about to dive into today's lesson. What pair should we look at today? I'm throwing this out. What pair should we look at today? What pair? Let's suggest. Somebody said the pair yesterday. I don't remember vividly. Maybe yesterday or something. But let's just pick another pair today. What pair should we look at today? Remember, it has to be a pair on my watch list. I don't want to add any pair on my watch list again. Let me just show you my watch list so that you can know what to recommend. In fact, even this watch list that I have right now, I still want to shrink it. I want to shrink it to like 3 or lesser. Let's say 3 or 4 lesser. I don't know. I just want to have few pairs that I'm trading and I'm milking it. So we have gold, we have analyzed gold, we have GBP USD, we have analyzed GBP USD, we have Euro USD, we have analyzed that yesterday. But we have not analyzed BTC USD, we have not analyzed NICE 100, we have not analyzed US 30, we have not analyzed USD CAR, USD CHF, GBP JPY, and AUD USD. There's another pair that SP500. Let me just look at this pair. Let me look at it from perspective. Is it a trending pair? Let's go to monthly. Let me see. Let me quickly do a freestyle. Watch me. Let me quickly do a freestyle. Okay. Okay. This pair might drop if this place is still holding, because it has been holding it, or if you eventually break it, it will retest them to the upside. I'm done analyzing it. So easy. So what should we analyze today, guys? What should we analyze today? What should we analyze? Suggest pair. Okay, US30 from Beauty Cartel, GDPCHF. Which one is GDPCHF? Mr. Goddy Abiola, I don't understand though. Juliana said 3 is fine. Okay, 3 pair. Don't worry, I'll get there. I'm working towards that. Just know that once I get to that level, I'm planning something with you guys. Let me quickly share it with you. I'm planning something. Every time I usually plan on how to actually move DAOM Empire forward with you guys. You know, you guys are the one that is making DAOM Empire. So when I say DAOM Empire, I mean you guys generally. So by next month, hopefully by the grace of God, I will only be focusing on, is it really needed I share this information right now? No need. No need. But all the same, what I'm planning for you guys, hey. What I'm planning for you guys, by the time it's just that it's just going to continue getting better. That's just it. It's just going to continue getting better. If you have been with me since last year, you will see that we have grown a whole lot. We have our trade, the trade we call on a daily basis has reduced, but our trade has been more of quality trades than just quantity trade, and we have more winnings than losses. Same thing will continue to happen. It will only continue to get better. Okay, USD CHF, let me see. USD CHF, US30. We have 2 US30. You guys that want me to look at US30 for you. US30. Beauty Cartel recommend US30 yesterday. Same here today. Then USD CHF. I'm actually interested in that USD CHF. honestly. But I'm going to analyze US30. I'm going to analyze US30. So what we are just going to do is that, let me see if I can do the two. Are you guys ready? Type ready if you are ready to go into the chat. Type ready. Let me just start saying that ready. Type ready if you are ready to go into the chat right now. Type ready. Guys, if you have not watched the video that I talk about baby pips, watch it. Go and get busy with that baby pips. There's a video I used to explain how to go about it. Watch it, get busy with it. It will help you. If you have not watched our gold analysis, we did that like 2 days ago, is that not, or 3 days ago? So I would advise that you go back to our first top-down analysis on this. Like, you will see the gold analysis. I'm talking to FS Giants right now. We have analyzed gold, and then you don't want to go back there again unless we have finished every other pair. Okay, so if you have not started with that baby pips, guys, start. And if you have not smashed the like button, do that right now. Yes, do it right now. So now let's go to my screen. Let me first of all look at USD CHF briefly, then I'll go to US30. Welcome to my screen, guys. Now look at USD CHF, guys. This is a weekly time frame. You guys will agree with me that what pattern is this? Before I draw it out, what pattern is this? What pattern is this? Put it in the chat box. What pattern is this? What pattern is this? Tell me, guys, what pattern is this on USD CHF? I'm beginning to be proud of my students. Double top, M pattern. God bless you. It's actually an M pattern. And whenever you see an M pattern, guess what? Whenever you see an M pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the neckline. You must always have a neckline. You must always do what? Have a neckline. So this is M pattern, and this is the neckline. Guys, can you see that this market form? And you see, this thing is very simple. All this one is not about one, just make trading simple. Make it simple. Follow your discipline. Be disciplined and be consistent. Simple, nothing serious. Now look at it. M pattern formed on the weekly time frame. This is the neckline of that M pattern. Can you see it break out? Did it come back to retest? Yes, it did come back to retest the neckline, and since then you can see. This is why I said I'm interested in the USD CHF. Though I called this trade out sometimes last month or so, this week, I don't know, sometime maybe this month or last month, that we took USD CHF, but people with small accounts can't stay in the trade for a long time. And look at it, it's smashing TP. Look at it. M pattern. Once you see the M pattern, wait for a breakout from the neckline. And this kind of move I dey like to the cash. Straight down 1 week. Boom. So this is just what I want to say about USD CHF right now. Before we further more analyzing, let's go to US30. I think I've promised to look at US30 yesterday, and today now there's 2 people are suggesting it again. So let's look at US30. Are you guys learning? Okay. Okay, good. So now let's go. US 30 will start from monthly time frame, and then let's look at all what the market has been doing. Wow. These are what the market started from 2003. I never bought some people that year. This market started from 2003 from the data the trading view is giving us right now. Yeah, let me charge my laptop. So now it has started going like this. Now let me ask you guys, is this market bullish or bearish? Before we furthermore, is this market bullish or bearish? Is this market bullish or bearish? Let me get your response in the chat box. I didn't ask uptrend or downtrend. Is this an overall bullish or overall bearish? That's just the question. Overall bullish or overall bearish? If you have not actually go for these baby pips, all these things might be new to you. All these terminologies that we are using, go and get busy with your baby pips, okay? It has saved a lot of work. I'm supposed to start with you guys from scratch, so do it at your time. Be fast, be consistent. The way they hungry you, that is the way you are going to be serious about it. Because I know as the knowledge was hungry me, that was the way I actually focus on it. So once you are done with your baby pips, even in the process of your baby pips, joining this live session, you will grab easily. So it is overall bullish. Congratulations to all my students. You guys have started to be making me proud. Cheers to you guys. Yeah, we are in overall bullish market. Okay, so bullish is the same thing as uptrend. Sometimes there might be a slight difference, but it's still, in this sense, it's still the same thing. So now let's continue. Okay, so now that we know that this market is on a bullish level, we need to first start plotting our major levels and obvious major levels. So our first major level here, don't force anything. It's what you see you should draw. Don't do what? Don't force anything. Whatever you see is whatever you should draw. I'm extending it to the future. Okay. So I either clone it or I do this. I'll just put this here. I'll also put this here. Are you guys understanding the reason why I'm putting what I'm putting? I'll put this here. So guys, I don't have any business up here. It will still take months if not years for the market to get to this level again, but these are the places that we know that this market can now probably get to. So this is on a bullish, and this market has actually moved like this. It got here, it got a rejection. He finally break it. He came back to retest, break it to this level. He came back to retest, come here again to retest. He finally got here. He pushed it back down to this level. He came back up, got to this level again, reject it, finally break it, got to this level, came back down here. He got here and he's still struggling around here. Now, this is a uptrend, isn't it? So now let's look at something. I'll need to actually introduce my Fibonacci right now. So introducing Fibonacci, if you want to know how to use Fibonacci, get busy with your baby peeps. I can actually teach it, but if you have not got it, there's no point in me teaching it if I have given you where you are going to learn it in detail, and you are actually going to, if I now teach it, you get it very well. In fact, go and practice, go and watch videos on it, go and learn it from baby peeps. If you have any question, come to me. So you agree with me that this market from here to this level 100%, it started retracing. Oh, sorry, how am I doing? No. It is an uptrend, okay. Oh, there's no need for Fibonacci. 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 If to say this market is moving on a downtrend now, it has gotten to this, it's now retracing. Now it has gotten here, it has finished retracing. Now it's going back up. What we need this market to actually do is to put up another higher high. We need it to put another higher high, something like this, that will let us know that we are still bullish. This is high. This like double bottom self. So we'll not, this high doesn't start from here. So let me do it like this. Characteristics of uptrend is that you see series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's the characteristics of an uptrend. So it is an uptrend. So we are seeing, let me start from here. Market can be crazy sometimes, but see high, it came back to put higher low, came back to put higher high. This one, I don't know, it might be a crash or something like that, but let's just ignore this. Let's ignore this. And if you want to not ignore, look at it. It gave us it, because this market actually closed around this level, so it gave us another higher high here, and it came to put up low. Oh, I'm switching to another pair. I'm switching to another pair. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start again. This market move from here, it gave us one high, a higher low, higher high, came to give us like a equal low here, but finally it came to give us another higher high, higher low. Can you guys see? Then we are expecting it to give us another higher high. So this is what we are expecting. So until this market actually do this, so what are we going to be waiting for? We are going to be waiting for this place to be broken. for us to now this our first level target is going to be here. You can actually draw a Fibonacci to know where okay, so this market actually came to the right zone and now it is pushing up again. So if this market now, this is a trade idea here now, even on the monthly time frame I've seen a trade idea. So if this market can close above this level, this major level that we just draw here, if it can close above on a monthly, I've not checked weekly, on a monthly, if it can close above, our first level target will be here, then our second level target will be here according to Fibonacci. So let's go to weekly time frame. Let's look at what the weekly has for us. We might need to edit some things or add some things. So if you don't understand anything, because I'm doing this in like I'm doing it myself, so if you don't understand anything, just quickly put up your question, let me re-explain. That is the purpose why you are here, to learn. So now let me go to weekly time frame. I think I'm done with the monthly. You can see that we cover the majors level we are supposed to cover. All these ones can serve as a minor level. We've gotten a minor level here. Look at it from here. You guys will agree with me that this is a minor level because this market was respecting here. See, it was respecting it. Before it finally break it came back again. You can see it was respecting it. So this is a minor level on a weekly time frame. So a weekly time frame minor level can even be a very strong level. So you should respect all the levels we are drawing. So now on here, I've gotten another minor level here that can actually affect the market. Look at this, guys, see something. You know, this market got here and started coming back down. Did you guys see what do you see? What pattern did you see that retraces this market? Tell me if you see it. If you spot it, let me know. What patterns reverse this market? What pattern reverse this market? Guys, what pattern reverse that market? Hey, God, I'm so happy. God, I'm so happy. God bless you, guys. I'm actually proud of you guys. You don't know how happy I am right now that you guys are now relating. When I thought you guys quickly grab it, you are seeing the same thing I'm seeing. Beautiful. M pattern, double top, M pattern. You are very correct. It's actually an M pattern. Look at it. This market go here. You know, it was coming high, low, higher, low. So it got here. It gave us one higher high. Instead of it to give us higher low, it gave us equal low. That is number one eyebrow. We are going to be like, what are you trying to do? It came up again. Instead of giving us another higher high, it came up to give us equal high. And it came back here. M pattern completed. Now we know that we have our neckline here. Now that we have our neckline here, guess what? This is how we are going to draw it. When we see a clear break, this is a weekly time frame. So because we spot it on a weekly time frame, we might wait for a weekly, or we go on a monthly time frame, on a shorter time frame to actually execute. So at least, but if you execute on a higher time frame, you'll have cashed it to this level before the retracement happen. You get out, and then this market come back, retest. Look at it since then. Boom, boom. This one want to look like a W, but it's not. It's different. Assuming a week down here, we'll have called it W, but it's not really a W, because this one doesn't really get here unless we look at it from the monthly time frame. No, so let's keep looking. It has started. Is we need to break this level. If we can break this level, then we are rallying to the upside. Guy, God bless you. You are spotting it. It was an M pattern that reversed this market from the market that has been trading since 2003. M pattern just reversed it. So now look at this place right now. I think we are spotting another minor level here. I'm spotting another minor level here. I'm going to actually shrink this. It's too large. So let me place it properly. Can see how clean our chart is. So this is a minor level, though I'm bullish on US30. Aside from if you want to scalp, I'm bullish on US30. But if we can get this market to close below, we can look for another opportunity, because look, I'm seeing some kind of a resistance level here. If you go to the daily time frame, you might actually spot another. You can see you might actually spot another. But all this minor level, if you want to swing US30, all this minor level will just serve as TP. You agree with me that this market was respecting all these levels? Look at it here. I didn't even really talk about how it was respecting. Look at it here. This is a minor level on a daily time frame. Look at it here. Look at this market respect here. Look at it here. Look at it here. Look here. You can see. So even this one that we draw, you can see here, it was respected here. Our major level, look at it here. That's how to spot a major level. Market gets here once, it never come back. You know that place is very, very strong. It came back here, boom. You can see there's something like a double bottom here. Guys, spot it. Something like a double bottom here. If you are smart enough and start looking at all these patterns, man, in no time you'll be very, very good. See, W pattern was formed here. This is the neckline. This is the neckline here. You can see it came back to retest. Let me zoom out. See, 1.2. This is the neckline. It finally break out. It came back to retest. It take 2 days, two daily candles to come back to retest. After that retest took place. Are you guys learning? Do you guys get that? My internet is messing up. don't know if you guys are going to see me very well. My don't know if you guys are going to see me very well. Maybe you should just pardon my let me just off my camera. Or can you guys see me very well? I have to off my light. The sun is not out here, so it's affecting my solar. Should I just leave my face like this? Is it too dark? Or should I just off the camera? Let me hear from you guys. Let me hear from you guys. Are you guys learning? Are you guys learning? Are you guys seeing something? Are you guys seeing something? Are you guys seeing what is reversing the whole of this market? We got a W here. We got an M here. Are you guys seeing something? Are you guys learning? Are you guys knowing what the market? Are you guys learning the communication of the market? Look at it here. See the M pattern here. The market finally break it, and it has been doing so well. See this W pattern here. The neckline was broken, retest, boom, to the upside. Who is feeling the vibes? Let me check my camera. I think it's a bit better. So let me just leave it. Let me know, guys. Are you feeling the vibes? Are you learning something? Richard, welcome. Next time you come early. Okay, beautiful. Any questions so far? Yeah, I love that word, grabbing all the value. Grab the value. Beautiful. So what we are waiting for, especially when you see those pattern, those chart pattern, when you spot them on the higher time frame, take it very serious. Take it very serious. I'm seeing a trade idea here. I'm seeing a trade idea here, but it's like a 60% kind of setup. What do you think? Should we call it out? I never said that. Does that mean when a major zone has been broken, it automatically becomes a minor zone? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. When you see where the market, how do you spot a major, or how do you differentiate a major zone or major level to a minor level or minor zones? It is very simple. You will look at where the market actually take a massive turn. When this market gets here, it take a turn. Like since this market got here, it maybe the market touched this level and it has never come back. They was just going. That means that level was very strong. Or maybe the market was taking so much time to break that level. It was testing to break the level, but he couldn't break it on time. If he eventually break that level, he's going to come and retest that level, then move so fast. But if you see the level where the market was just, it got there, he respected it, sometimes he didn't respect it, he respected, all those ones that are not very very strong are the one we can call minor level. Let me do another example. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame to explain more about this major and minor level thing. Now, if you look at would this one be the perfect one to do the example for you? Yes. Look at this level, this major level here. This market finally it got here. Once it got here, it was from this level that look at that massive drop to the downside. Even the massive drop didn't respect this level. It just dropped crazily to this level. So when the market finally came back here, respect here, you can see the way it respects here. You can see the way it's cutting across this minor level. It break, it cut across, it break, it cut across, it break, it cut across. Look at here too, it's breaking, it's cutting across. But once it gets here, look at the way it just dropped down. And when it finally gets there again, look at the way it was respecting it. Remember, these are weekly candles. Look at it, look at it, look at it. It couldn't break it on time, but when it finally break it, see the way it rallied to the upside before it finally came back again to that level. Once it came back to that level, can you see that it has never come back there again? That's how to spot major level. Let me check another pair and explain again. Let me use Euro USD that we talked about yesterday. Now look at Euro USD. Look at this level here. Because when this market come here, it drove it down here. It came back again. And as it came back, since then it has never come there since 2021. Look at it. The only time he was respecting another market was here. He came here, he respected it, he moved back up, he came back again, all these things. But look at this minor level. See, he break above, he got here, he come back to this level again, he come back, he break above, he retest and he move. Even this minor level is strong. It's just that I cannot categorize it as strong as this level. I can take my decision with this too. I can take my trade decision with this minor level too, because it's also strong. If you look at history too, look at history, you can see the way the market come here. See, it has never come down to this level until this here again. But you can't use it to compare this. This one, it got here, it came back to retest it, it came back there again. Look at it. The way it was respecting here, it's just like a teacher to a principal in the primary school or secondary school. Look at it. You respect some teachers, but you see them often. But you respect your principal more because you hardly see them, and anytime you see them, you have to give them absolute respect. So this is what is happening here. Look at it. They were respecting this minor level, but it was not as how they were respecting the major levels. Look at this level too. I want to cite another example. Look at the way this market was trying to break here. He touched here, he went far up, he came back again, he went far up, he came back again, went far up, before he finally came to break it here. See, since 2000 and what? Since 2015 that this market has been trying so hard to break below this level, but anytime e get to this level, something send it back away before e finally come to break it here. So that's how to spot majors and minor level. Did you understand? Did you understand? Did you understand? Fidelity, did you understand my explanation about the major and minor levels? And every other person, did you guys understand too? Let me know if you are on the same page, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So the way they regard that level is the way you are going to categorize them. If they are major or they are minor. Even the one I call minor, they are major when you go to smaller time frames. But as a swinger that I'm training myself to be a long time swinger, a long time investor, where you are going to be in a trade for like 1 year, 6 months, and the market will just keep printing dollars for you massively. So you've got to always analyze from the higher time frame to have a peace of mind. Once you enter trade, you have entered it. Know what you are risking, and then just be like, I've risked what I'm risking, and I take a calculated risk. I know what I waited for. I've been waiting for this trade to happen. It finally happened the way I want it to happen. I'm risking this amount on this trade, and I'm not looking back. I'm even not going to check my MT4 or MT5. I'll totally remove it, or I'll go and uninstall it from my phone, and anytime I'll just be looking at the chart. Once the chart got to a certain level that I need to add position, I will install it back, I will log in back, I will add position, and I will uninstall. So with that way, you're going to actually discipline yourself to be able to swing trade for as long as possible. Let me read the comments. If after the analysis and you determine when it's going to next, maybe bullish, does news there has any impact to change already determine the direction? Of course, news most of the time, news is unpredictable unless you are in the economy of that country or you are part of the economist of that country. Sometimes news is unpredictable. So sometimes news will follow the technical analysis. In fact, most of the time no matter how crazy the news is, news can only affect a smaller time frame. It can have a huge impact on the smaller time frame, but it won't have much impact on the higher time frame. At the end of the day, look at all these ones that are happening, all these peers. Are you going to tell me that news doesn't happen? But were they not respecting the way they are supposed to respect the major and the minor level? They were respecting it. The only challenge is that it's on a smaller time frame that you see that huge impact. So once you have done your analysis correctly, just enter. But if the market has not actually given you a big profit and the news is coming up, just move your stop loss into break even. If you are already in a trade and you are in a good profit and news is coming up, just move your stop loss to a level of a profit or break even, and let the news might either go in your direction or not go in your direction, but anyone, you have secured your capital. Do you guys understand? I'm seeing something. Should we test out a trade on US30? I'm seeing some setup on US30. I'm seeing a setup on US30. Should we take chances, guys? Should we take chances? It's a 60% trade. Anybody can take it. Anybody can not take it. Like, you can decide to take it, you can decide to leave it. So US30 cash, if you are using US30 cash, I just bought a trade idea right now. US30. This is let me type it out. US30 cash. If you are using if you are trading prop firm, it's just US30. Buy now. Around what price is that? Around 33,700. 33,700. Our SL will be 33,560. 33. Our TP1 will be, this first level target here will be what? 33,760. 33,760. And our next level target will be 33,870. 33,870. Then our next level target, I'm looking at what the market has done before to make my decisions. Our next level target will be 3,400. As a matter of fact, if this trade played out, it's going to be a swing trade. 3,400. Another level target will be 3,4,270. 3,4,270. Proper. So guys, you just call this trade, take a calculated risk, don't risk too much. The reason why I said it's a 60% is because this market is actually a bullish, and this market has started off from this level. So all this level has moved before, so let's see if we can continue to this upside. So let me type it out. I've also pasted it on I've pasted it on Signal channel. If you're avoiding it, you're avoiding it. You can avoid it if you want to avoid it. I need to enter this trade too. But my phone is busy. Let me use the system. Guys, enter slowly, don't over risk. Let's see if the trade will give us some good profit. Let's see. So guys, let's see. We are all in this. So let's see. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Let's see what the trade will play out for us. What this guy think? Are you guys so emotionally attached to your trade right now? Why are you not responding? Come on. Any question? Any question? So tomorrow we can look at USD CHF. You can remind me. For us to look at USD CHF tomorrow. It's like a double bottom. Whichever way. We are going to look at US. We are going to look at USD CHF tomorrow. You guys should just remind me. So, any question? Any question? Okay, good. So I think we should call it a day. If you know, we should call it a day. And if there is no any question, it's only Fidelis that is responding. A lot of you have started looking at your MT5 and MT4 right now. It's fine. It's a matter of time. You guys will grow beyond that level. You take your trade, you come on your eye, come on your mind. So any question? Before we call it a day, if you know we should call it a day, just type bye bye. Type it in the chat box. Let's call it a day. What do you guys think? Let me say this again. NFP is coming up on the 5th of May. Am I right? We are in April, right? May I ask, do you actually trade the NFP on the higher time frame? I don't know. On the higher time frame, no, I don't trade NFP on the higher time frame. I go as low as 1 hour 15 minutes, depending, sometimes even 4 hours. So it doesn't take much time to analyze NFP based on the strategy I've discovered since last year. So I recommended broker for us that have US 30 cash. This is something. No. US 30 have US 30 cash. Look at it from your broker. I'm using XM too now. It has US 30 cash. Maybe I don't know. I'm not using MT4. I'm not using MT4. If you are using MT4, I don't know, you might have a challenge. I don't know, because I'm not using MT4, so I don't know. But if you are using the one I recommend, because I tell everybody that is registering that I use MT5. This is what I use. This is what I'm recommending, so that you can have the same experience. So if you go to your if you go to where you search for new broker, you will see US 30 cash. You see US 30 cash. US 30 cash is on XM. Screenshot it to me, Victoria. Screenshot it to me. We are not yet in profit, but no shaking, guys. No shaking. In as much as you don't over leverage, no shaking. So yeah. So as I was saying, on the 5th of May, we're having an NFP. Make sure you actually prepare for it. It do me somehow when you smash, you took an NFP trade and people are making a lot of money, and all you could make was just $5, $3, $10. Come on Friday with a reasonable risk. You might decide to risk $10. You might decide to risk $20. You might decide to risk $50. You might decide to risk $100, depending on your capital and your capacity. That's why I'm preparing you guys down, so that, okay, if you are trading in an NFP, you might decide to risk like 1%, 2%, 3%, 5% of your account, depending on your daily drawdown. What is your own question, Victoria? What is your own question that I don't answer? Then another thing is that, okay, the audio I sent to the private channel yesterday, I hope you guys listening to it. If you are not ready to risk it all, you might still be enslaving yourself to the market. Be intentional about a risk. Take a calculated risk. In fact, I said it, if you are the type that you want to just be taking a very good risk trade, you can open a live account, a separate live account. Let me know. I will create a separate channel. That channel will not be taking trade every day. It might be one trade in a week or 2 weeks, but that trade, we are going to swing it, and we are going to risk a reasonable amount on it. You guys get that? See, Nnamani just they join us. Nnamani Meridi just they join us. Is it because of the signal I called that just make you to run up here right now? I'm asking, I'm not guessing, I'm not saying that's what you did. I'm just asking. So what's your question that I have not answered? Let me know before we call it a day. Since when have you been here that I didn't get to read your messages since morning? So Victoria, send me the screenshot on Telegram. Let me see why you are not seeing US30. Why are you not seeing US30? I'm using XM. The same broker you are using is the same broker I'm using. You are using the same broker. So why are you not seeing US30 cash? US30 cash is there. Then on gold, let me quickly talk on gold. Let me let you guys know what we're waiting for on gold. Gold is going to come down. Remember this pattern. What is this? Rising wedge. And another thing is that we spot something like a head and shoulder pattern, which is also a what? A reversal pattern. So now we are using this minor level as our neckline. Any close below this neckline is an opportunity for us. Any close below this neckline, this minor level, it's an opportunity for us. So for now, let gold still be doing what it's doing. For now, let gold continue doing what it's doing. GBP USD, as we said yesterday, has not actually gotten to where we want it to get to. What are we waiting for? A weekly candle close above or 4-hour candle close below. On Euro USD, a daily candle close above or a daily candle close below. You guys remember? I was talking about this fake out thing. I just remember, but time has gone. Do you still want us to talk about it, or you remind me tomorrow? I say you should remind me the course of the training. You guys did not remind me, so I think we'll turn it to tomorrow. A daily candle close above and a daily candle close below will give us a confirmation either to buy or to sell. Now US30. What we are waiting for overall on US30 right now is to break above this level, then boom to the upside. So until then, we can. This is a day trading idea, man. This is a day trading idea. This is a day trading idea. So this is a day trading idea. Guys, hold on to your trade. Don't over leverage. If you don't over leverage, no shaking. Hold on to what? To your trade. Oh, tomorrow is weekend. Sorry. Okay, yes, I was not showing my screen. That was because okay. Let me quickly explain that again. What we are waiting for on gold. Remember, on a 4-hour time frame, we have spotted something like an head and shoulder pattern. Can you guys see? And we already spotted something like a rising wedge. So what we actually want to see gold do for us, to give us a confirmation right now, is that we are using this minor level as a neckline. We need it to break below. If we can break below like this, it might come to retest. That's why we'll put our stop loss above this level here, and then our first level target then we took it to the downside, to the level we want to give it to us. So but on this trade, once this trade come up, it might retest. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to take the first trade as a breakout on a 4-hour time frame. We take it the first trade. we are going to be very careful on it, see if it's going to just rally down. If it's not going to rally down, we'll close with our profits. Then when they come to do a proper retesting, because look at the way it has been trying to break this level, you couldn't break it. So if you eventually break it, we'll now take it to the downside. So that's what we are waiting for on gold. On GBP USD, like we have analyzed yesterday, we are waiting for a weekly candle to close above, and a 4-hour candle to close below to buy or to sell. Euro USD, we are actually waiting for a daily candle to close above or daily candle to close below. Right now we're on a 4-hour time frame. I'll switch it to daily. So this is daily candle right now. We are expecting this daily candle to close below or close above, then we take our decision. On US30, we are actually wanting US30 to close above, but we are on a trade right now for it to actually run up to this level. So if you see it run up to this level, close, we will not be doing anything until we see it break above this level, close above it, maybe on a daily time frame, or whichever we will look at it, then we can now take it to the upside. But hold on to your trade, guys. Hold on to your trade. In as much as you don't over risk, hold on to your trade. You might likely make some good profit with this. My screen is visible now. My screen is visible now. You see. Now go and type it. Type it in the chat box. Victoria. Now you are saying you have seen it. Type it in the chat box that you have seen it. Because I've seen the screenshot you sent to me just now. Ooh. If not for some of you, I would have said we should just be here and wait and see how this trade is going to play out. But whichever way, we can be out of this trade right now. Let's get out. We can be out of this live session. Leave your trade to be running. Don't over leverage. We have a small stop loss compared to the TP we want to smash. Like this is 75 pips or something. So about over 200 pips or something. So yeah, can we call it a day? Any other question before we go? Any other question before we go? If you have not smashed the like button, you better smash it right now. You are not seeing my screen. I think it's from your hand. My screen is visible. Online Smart TV, you are just even joining us. Should we call it a day, guys? Or do you have questions, or do you want me to talk about anything? Is there anything you want me to talk about? You say you have an unanswered question, Fidelity. Why haven't you asked? If it's a question that you are supposed to have asked, sis, we'll suspend it. Oh, better ask now. If it's something I can quickly answer and other can learn from it. I just said it. I said we should talk about the fake out and the breakout. You are just asking right now. I don't know. I don't know. I said it. I'm even the one that I said it in the beginning of this stuff that you guys should remind me in the course of this training. This is a daily time frame. If you are analyzing chart, when you start from monthly, now how do I know we are supposed to be waiting for? Let me start from DBPUSD. Let me quickly just save this. Let me share my screen. How do you know if you are supposed to be waiting for a candlestick? If you are going to be waiting for a candlestick on weekly or 4 hour or any time frame, it depends on what the market has been doing. You will agree with me that I'll just say this for the benefit of people that are actually interested in learning. Look at this level. Look at the way this candle is doing since this place. Overall, this market is a bearish. You can see it's a downtrend. So now we are expecting this market to just retrace and then continue on the downtrend. Now it's doing as if it's giving us something like a double bottom here. Do you see? So now for us to have a strong confirmation that this market is actually going to continue to rally to the upside, look at the way a weekly candle is doing. But if you go to 4-hour candle, they will look so strong. Look at it on 4 hour. Look at the way 4-hour candle are looking so strong. But if you go to weekly, they are weak. They are weakening it, weakening out. Look at the way they are just weakening, weakening out. Look at it. So for us to know that this market wants to go up, how do we know it's not going to end up being like this? We need a weekly candle to close above, because it is the weekly that is not giving us an accurate. If the candle of the weekly are full, like the way 4 hours is full, you can see the way the 4 hours are full. If the way this market is full, these candles are full like this, our weekly candle too is full like that, then we can just be like, okay, we can base our decision on a buy for a 4-hour candle. But the way this thing is doing, we need a very strong conviction that I want to head to the upside. Let a weekly candle close above. But on a 4-hour, the reason why we choose 4-hour here is because this thing is on a downtrend. So a downtrend, the 4-hour would just be an easy ride for it, unless if you want to change trend. And if you want to change trend, it must change from the higher time frame too. So that's why we don't want to. A fake out can happen on a 4-hour time frame, and this is an example of a fake out on Euro USD. Look at 4-hour time frame. On this line that we draw here, you can see that 4-hour candle closes above this line. 4-hour candle close above, and what happened? It enter back again. If you go to daily time frame, you will see that all these 4-hour candles that enter back again is a fake out. Look at it. You can see that nothing has actually closed above. Everything just gets up and weaken back. So because they are weakening back on a daily time frame, even if you go to weekly time frame, you see the same thing. You can see. So for us to now know that this market is ready to start going to the upside, we need a daily candle. If we base our decision on 4 hours, we can be a victim of the fake out. But if we base our decision on the daily, we can be sure that the market is ready to go in our direction. Even this because this market is showing us that they want to start heading to the upside now. If you go to 4 hours time frame, if you go to 4 hours time frame too, we cannot quickly base our decision on 4 hour time frame on this level, because we know that the higher time frame, the stronger the level. So that's why we are waiting for another daily candle to close below. If this, like for instance now, this candle right now is here, they got to this line, is running back up. If you now get the lever, you get the stronger to come and close below here like this, below this level like this, then it's going to give us a confidence and extra confirmation that this market is now ready to start going to the downside. Because since when it has never closed below this trend line. Since here that this market has begun, it has never closed below this trend line. So this trend line is holding it, and at the same time this market has been capping it here, that doesn't allow it. So we have trapped the market here now. So anyone that the market do, then we will take advantage of it. I can explain better about breakout and breakout on Monday by the grace of God. Just remind me, okay? I hope you get that explanation. I hope you got that explanation. I hope you get that explanation so that I can just call it a day. I'll emphasize more on it maybe next week. So we can call it a day, guys. Bye bye from here. Hold on to your trade if you are not over leveraging, and I usually tell you don't over leverage. Hold on to your trade. Let's see it give us some blues by the grace of God. So thank you, guys. See you on Monday. I don't know if I might have any offer for us during the weekend. If I have, I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned and keep winning, and always remember that Diamond Aridoh does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.